Hi everyone, very good evening. In the previous video, I had told you like the share market and then how it will work and then how to survive. I was explaining, right? So let me show you in practical world how the chart patterns are there and then how the chart will be created and then there are some indicators that how you can use it and then play with it wisely. Okay, let's get started immediately without any kind of further delay. Okay, so right now now I'll be using three indicators in Zerodha. So I'm using Zerodha application. So in Zerodha I'm using three indicators. One is RSI, relative strength index, and then the second indicator is EMA, and then the another indicator is super trend. Okay, these are the three indicators that I'll be using in Zerodha application, and then I'll show you some of the options like now the settings how you have to modify also. Okay, RSI. Okay, search from indicators, go to indicators, RSI, you will get relative strength index. Okay, click on that. RSI will get added. Go to settings, and then I'm not going to change anything in the inputs. I'm going to change the style. So the lower limit I had used as 30, middle limit as 50, upper limit as 70, because below 30 for sure there are chances to go up, and then if it crosses or if it reaches more than 70, and then for sure it has to come down as well. These are the two things that you have to remind in RSI, and then you can use any kind of patterns that you are interested. So for me the line would be much easiest way to understand. Okay, so and then click on OK. The second indicator is EMA. Go to indicators, EMA. So this is called EMA cross. Okay, and then go to settings of the EMA. So again now this here, let me click on inputs. Okay, the inputs length is 1, source is low, offset is 2, smoothing line is SMA, and this you need not to worry anything at all. And then style, I have used only smoothed EMA. I'm not using a plot. So smoothed EMA, and then I'm using a line with breaks, and then click on OK. And then the another one is super trend. Inputs nothing, style nothing. I'm just making it as it is. I'm not going to do anything at it all. Click on OK. So now let me tell you so I hope you people are able to see three lines that are there in the chart. One is the RSI line, one is the EMA line, and then one is the super trend line. Okay, can you notice there are arrow marks? One is the up mark and then down mark, up mark, down mark, up mark, down mark. Okay, these are the symbols that it will be showing that you have to buy or you have to sell the stock whichever you're using. Okay, so let me tell you here just one simple. Okay, I don't know how many people will be doing what and all the strategies that they are using, but let me tell you the strategy which I'm going to tell you, for sure it will work 99.9% for sure. If possible I'll show it in the live trading as well. Right now it is offline because my time is right now it is almost 6 o'clock. I'll try to record a session one more and then in the live trading as well. Okay, and then I'll show the patterns as well how it is showing up. So my trick whether it will be useful or not. Okay, I'm sure it will work for 99.9% for sure. So the thing is you have to understand this RSI level is there, right? As I said, low is 30, middle line is 50, and then upper line is 70. Okay, all you have to remember is if the line breaches below 30, for sure like no, it will come up movement. Okay, you have to wait till that time, not any other time. Okay, so let us zoom out. Okay, and then let us understand how the chart pattern is. Okay, so now you people can see that like now the chart of the RSI indicator is below the line, and then once it is breaches, almost like now it has given us some good points, like almost 30 to 50 points. Okay, still like no, this is a kind of like no, you people can use it as a like no support line or maybe resistance lines, whatever it is. Again, if it crosses like no that line as well, again it will be giving a momentum. So the thing is, you'll be entering at this point, and then once it crosses this line, then you have to use some any kind of like maybe 30 to 50. Okay, in between it is like almost 10 points. Okay, you can update your stop loss as with the 10 points, and then once it crosses the 50 line, again you can update the stop loss as with wherever it has crossed above 50 line, right? You can update the same thing as a stop loss. Okay, and then you can go till whatever the level it is, like now wherever it can go, and then it will make high in case if you are good, and then if you are happy with the points that you have received, you can exit. Okay, so this is one of the entrance. So there are chances like now, okay, here you people can see that like there is a up momentum. Okay, but the RSI says that it is the zone is at the 50 level. So here I cannot take any kind of risk, because like no, it might go up and then it might come down as well. But however, like sometimes it would be the level would be equal, so it is going up but again it is coming down. Okay, so it would be like a kind of like vice versa, and then like it will be zigzag, and then it will be like a kind of up and down, and then like you may not be able to take any kind of proper decision. Okay, so my suggestion is it has to cross 30 level, it has to come down. Once again, if there is any kind of movement, it has to cross this 30 level again. So here one of the zone I can tell you, and then like the another zone is over here. Okay, it has came down, crossed the 30 level, and then like once it breaches the 30 level, okay, then I'll be giving one more entry, and then I'll be waiting. Okay, so again like now if it goes above the 50 level, and then like once again it comes to 50 again, then probably you can exit. So from here to from till here, you'll be having some kind of good points where you can make profit. Let me go previously, very similarly. Okay, the same thing, I don't see anything. Okay, here like I can see that like no, it has crossed, but however it has like no very slow movement, or maybe like no very low points, but still it has crossed the 30 level zone, and then it has made high, it has went above 50. Okay, and then it has crossed 50 zone, and then you can exit it here, entry here, exit here with minimum points. Let me see any other zones. Okay, so here I can see one more zone. Okay, it has crossed 30 zone, again it has breached 30 zone, and I'll be giving entry over here, and then I'm not going to do anything at all. It has to cross, or it has to touch 50 level. So if it has touched 50 level, and if it is coming down, I'll be executing. In case if it is not coming down, but if it is going up, then I'll be holding, and then I'll be waiting till it reaches 70 or something kind of that. And then and in the meantime, like what you have to do is you have to update the stop loss. For example, here like if I'm going to give entry, like for example, like let me say the current market price is maybe like 150. Okay, and then like it has reached over here, and then the market price is somewhere around 180. So now what I'll be doing is like I'll be updating the stop loss as 180 once it is crosses the 50 line, 50 support line. So it has to cross 180 rupees, and then it has to touch 200 rupees or 210 rupees. Then I'll be updating the stop loss as 180 rupees. I have given the entry at 150 rupees. It has crossed 180, and then it is now at 200 rupees or 200 rupees 10. I'll be updating the stop loss as 180 rupees. And then what I have to do is once it reaches like the target, and then I have to exit it. Let me see any other zones. I don't see anything. Okay, here again like now there is one more zone. Okay, so crossed 30th line, it's going up. 50th line, okay, you have to see like if it is coming down, you will be exiting with some points. In case if it is going up, then like no, you can update the stop loss as like no with the new price, and then you can wait till 70 and then you can exit. After reaching 70, see it has crossed the 70 level, and then after some time it falling down. Can you see the line? It is falling down, it is falling down. Okay, at this 50 level, it's not good idea to take entry. It has to cross 30th line. If it is coming down, and then it has to breach again the 30 line, and then it has to go up, only then we have to give entry. Okay, and again here, okay, see it has went up, but again it is came down. So if you see this kind of situation, do not hold at all. Okay, entry going up like now, then probably you'll be thinking that still it will be going up. If you see like now that line is touching again the 30th level, and if it is crossing, then you will be exiting it immediately. Okay, without any kind of second thought. Again, see like now these are kind of like no fake entries sometimes. Sometimes like you'll be able to see that it will be giving a fake entry. So like we should be very careful. We should not hold much time. Like sometimes it will not go up. But however, the golden rule is, if it is crossing below 30 line, for sure it will go up. For sure it will go up. If it is crossing 30 line, for sure it will go up. So here if you have entered, here you will be exiting it, and then you will be waiting. Again it has crossed the 30th line, and then you will be giving entry. And from here it has given a good momentum till here. Here we have entered, and again we have exited here. With minimal stop loss, we will be exiting to save our capital. So again we'll be entering at the right moment, and then here it has went up. Okay, that is one more level. I don't see here. This is gap up in the day opening. So this is not I cannot conclude this. But however, again still in the previous day, it has crossed the 30th line. It is going up from here. Probably in case if you're buying at this level, and then if you're holding, yeah, maybe there are some kind of, these are kind of jackpot trades that I would say. If you're buying at this level and then holding that for next day when it is at the correct zone level, yeah, that is a right zone, and then it's a jackpot trade. And let us see that. Okay, so again here, okay, it has crossed. Okay, from top to bottom it came, and then it has touched, and then it is going up. We'll be giving entry, so you can book what are the profits you can see. In case if you can hold, see the pattern how it has went up, and then this is the zone. It came down, again it is going up. From here to it has gone up, and then see the train. And then are there any other zones? Okay, here one more level. So can you see this? Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Okay, this is what. So as of now one, yeah, this also I can consider. I can give entry over here, and then book some points from here to here. Can you see the line? Here I have given entry, and then here I will be exiting it. Just book some points. Don't be greedy to make till 70 or some kind of that. Sometimes you will end up in losing money. Okay, make some money and exit it immediately. In case if it is crossing 50 line as well, then probably you can upgrade the stop loss as with a new current market price, and then you can save your capital. Okay, yeah, this is one more level. All I have to do is I have to wait. This is again one more level, second level. This is one more level, third level. This is one more level, fourth level. This is again one more level, fifth level. This is again one more level, it is sixth level. See, we have to wait for the right moment and then give entry and then exit with minimal profit. Do the same thing for maximum number of trades. Whenever you see it is touching 30th line, entry and then exit. So I'll tell you some difference. So and then like you will be thinking that like there are two more indicators, right? I'll tell you about that. So here like let me say that where is this? Okay, here. Okay, it has crossed the 30th zone. It has given a buy symbol. Okay, buy symbol, buy symbol, sell symbol, buy symbol, sell symbol. Whenever you see up mark, it is a buy symbol. Whenever you see down mark, it is sell symbol, which means you have to be careful that okay, the RSI line we have to make sure like whether it is in the support zone or it is going to make low. So we have to monitor that. And then EMA. Okay, this is the EMA line. So whenever the line is below the candles, then we are at good level. In case if it is merging with candles, then it is not a good zone. See it. If it is below the candles, then we are at the good level. If it is merging, we are not at the good level. See, it is merging with candles, it's not good level. Came down. Now we can give entry over here and then exit it at this level, kind of that. Mixing with candles, not a good zone. Again here like we can give entry, make some points, exit it. Here also see, below the candle, that is like below the green candles, make entry, exit it some points. So at this kind of levels, what you have to do is you have to concentrate your brokerage. So just keep that in mind. If you're giving an entry, just book a small profit, like even like if it can be like 200 rupees, 300 rupees, 400 rupees, 500 rupees, even that is also fine. But here like because see like what I'm saying, so like how we have to gauge that. So the market is like vice versa, like it's like almost a flat. You cannot expect anything much. So like at certain points, like in case if you are able to see like the buy symbol, and then you have to exit immediately with small amount, like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, or 400 rupees, or 500 rupees, whatever the amount it can be, because we cannot take any risk at all. The simple thing is, if the RSL line is at the 50 level, we are not going to do any trades at all. It has to come down. Okay, it has to cross the 30th level, and then it has to go up, and then like buy symbol is there, yeah, then probably we can buy it here. And then the EML line also is below the candles, which means it is good zone. Okay, that's it guys. So try to practice the same thing in the real time. Use Excel sheet and then make entry and then exit. Try to implement it in the real time on Excel sheet. That is called paper trading, we will be saying it as. Okay, even like in the previous video I had given an application that is front page. So probably like you can try it out. So try to implement in front page application, like using these ideas whatever I have said right now. In case if you're able to get confidence, only then trade with your real money in real time. If you don't have confidence, if you don't have any kind of so you should be out of your fear. You should not have any kind of fear, and then you should be having a confidence, and then you should be in a good mood to do the tradings. If you are not in a good mood to do the trading, please avoid trading at all. Okay, chala guys, so this is for today. Like whatever the things like that I taught you, like try to implement it in real time. Try to take it as an example, like try to play with it in Excel sheet, like giving entry and then exit, and then try to practice it at least for 1 to 2 weeks. Then probably you'll be getting a proper idea, and then you'll come to know how to give entry and then how to exit in this share market for the calls, whatever it is. It can be call or it can be PE, it can be anything. If the chart pattern is going up, then call is better. If the chart pattern is coming down, then P is better. So market is in any either way, going up direction or coming down direction. It can be any direction. So if it is going up direction, enter into the call option. If it is going down direction, then enter into the PE. You can easily make the profit. So remember, these are the 3 indicators that I'm using. So try to implement it in real time as well, and have a good time, and then I hope you'll be able to make profits. Okay, thank you, bye bye.